Nonstandard Methods for Subtraction of Whole Numbers by Madison Ring. What is a nonstandard method? A nonstandard method is a different way, a non-traditional way or procedure for arriving at the solution. Non-standard methods to use for subtraction of whole numbers. The two that I have selected to show examples for today are equal additions algorithm and compensation algorithm. We will first begin with whole number subtraction using equal additions algorithm. The purpose of using equal additions algorithm is to help students, 1, try to avoid using regrouping to solve a problem, 2, work on math equations that end in a 0 or a 5, and 3, build their mental math skills and number sense. For the first example, we are going to do 549 minus 286. And for equal additions, we are going to add 14 to both sides. This will give us a new problem of 563 minus 300. By adding 14 to both sides, we can see that it simplifies the math problem of subtraction by not having to regroup or borrow from different numbers. So our new problem is 563 minus 300. So we'll subtract and get 3 and then a 6. And then 5 minus 3 is 2. So our answer to this problem is 263. For the second example, we're going to do 365 minus 181. And for equal additions algorithm, we are going to add 19 to both sides to make the subtraction problem simpler. This gives us a new subtraction problem of 384 minus 200. So now that we've added 19 to both sides, we've made a much simpler subtraction problem, and now we can just subtract 384 from 200 and we get a 4, an 8, and then 3 minus 2 is 1, so the answer to example 2 is 184. Our next method of solving will be using the compensation algorithm for whole number subtraction. So what is number subtraction using compensation algorithm? This algorithm is when you take more away than you need. This can make subtraction problems easier. Using this algorithm means that you take away more than you need and then add some back. So for example 1 of compensation algorithm, our problem is 74 minus 28. So we wrote our problem at the top. Next, we are going to write 74 minus, so we're going to subtract more than we need. So we're going to subtract 30. And then we're going to add back the 2 extra that we subtracted. So then we get 74 minus 30 plus 2. So we're going to rewrite this problem, and we are going to begin by subtracting 74 from 30. So we get 44 plus 2. So now all we have to do is add 44 plus 2, which gives us the answer of 46 So the answer to example 1 of the problem 74 minus 28 is 46. For example 2, our problem is 43 minus 27, so we've written that at the top. So we're going to begin by writing 43 minus, we're going to take more than we need, which will take 30. And then we're going to add back the 3 extra that we took, so plus 3. Next, we're going to subtract first 43 minus 30, which gives us 13. And then we still have to add our 3 extra that we took, so 13 plus 3. And this gives us an answer of 16. So the answer to example 2, 43 minus 27, is 16.